Hello. So I recently read The Home Edit, and let me tell you, it is a game changer. The Home Edit is a good read for anyone who's interested in having a beautiful home that's also functional and organized. The authors, Clea and Joanne, they are well known for their rainbow color coordinated, organized spaces and their smart home solutions. They have a lot of items at the Container Store, and they even have a show on Netflix called The Home Edit. So, after reading the book, there were a few highlights that I really would like to mention. The book walks you through their signature step by step system: edit, categorize, contain, and maintain. And one thing about the book, I really love that it gives you real life solutions and then also real life examples. The first step is to edit. Now, you cannot clean and organize unless you have edited or decluttered a lot of the things. We have so many items in our home that it is actually overwhelming. We probably have twice, if not three times, as many things in our home that we do not need. So, first, we need to go through and edit. So, editing can be placing things where, out of our home, whether we're going to properly dispose of them, we're going to donate them, we're going to re-gift them. Either way it goes, before we can actually organize, we have to know what we're going to organize. So that is the first step. Another thing in the book, they talked about visibility matters. So this is how using clear bins helps. A lot of times if we buy the little bins that have designs on them, you put so many things in them and you don't know what's in them. You have no idea what's inside. But if you have clear bins, you can actually see and you won't have it overflowing. Open shelves is also something that you can do to, make sure you only have what you want available to be seen. It's you can have a lot of things on the open shelves, but it's not visibly pleasing because everyone can see it. So actually open shelves, clear bins, and labeling things is actually some of the things that you can do to help make your home visually better. And another thing, you can start small. You don't have to declutter or organize your entire home. We only have 365 days in a year. We only have 24 hours a day. And if you think about that, out of that 24 hours, you still have to sleep. If you're working, you still have to work. If you're taking care of children, doing hygiene things, there's only so much you can do in a day. So start small. Start with a drawer. Start with a shelf. Start with the weekly declutter challenge. These are ways that you can actually start to declutter your home and have the nice home that you want. Also, function needs beauty. It's okay to beautify your space and make it functional. A lot of times, if you're decorating, if you're organizing, and you have a spot, and if you make it beautiful, you're more likely to keep it organized and keep it clean. So it's okay. That can be a cheat code. So if you struggle to declutter or to edit your home, this is an excellent book. It actually can go hand in hand with the weekly declutter challenge. So I will leave information about the book in the description box below. This book is a July book for the Divine Life at Home book club. Each month there is an assigned book, and the books are either organizational based, financial literacy, financial planning, home decor, all of those great things, things that we need to live in a beautiful, organized life and home. So the information about the book club will be in the description box below, and each book is available on Amazon and available via Audible. Audible is a subscription service that you can use to read books or actually have books read to you. And oftentimes they are read by the author. Information about the Divine Life and Home Book Club will be in the next video. So please don't forget to click it. And as always, feel free to join my 5 days to an organized life at home email course. It is a free course, and in the scope of 5 days, you will receive an email from me with tips and suggestions on how to maintain a company ready home at all times. So, thank you much for watching. Have a divine day. Goodbye.